Ever felt like you're running your plumbing, HVAC, or electrical business on a hamster wheel? Juggling schedules, dispatching technicians, managing invoices. It's enough to make even the most seasoned contractor reach for the aspirin. That's where ServiceTitan comes in. This cloud-based software platform promises to streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and free up your time to focus on what matters, growing your business. But with all the hype surrounding ServiceTitan, there's one burning question business owners have. Just how much does this magic bullet cost? The answer, unfortunately, isn't as straightforward as flipping a switch. ServiceTitan doesn't offer a one-size-fits-all pricing plan. Instead, they tailor their offerings based on the specific needs of your business. Here's the thing, though. Understanding how ServiceTitan structures its pricing can help you make an informed decision. So, buckle up, grab your metaphorical wrench, and let's delve into the world of ServiceTitan pricing. ServiceTitan operates on a tiered pricing system, with different plans catering to businesses of various sizes and complexities. Here's a peek at the potential factors influencing your final quote. Company size. The number of technicians you have directly impacts your pricing. A one-man plumbing operation will naturally have different needs than a multi-crew electrical contractor. Features needed. ServiceTitan offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including dispatching, scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and marketing. You only pay for the features you actually use. Integrations. Want your ServiceTitan platform to seamlessly connect with your existing accounting software or marketing tools. Integrations come at an additional cost. Contract length. Signing up for a longer contract typically translates to a lower monthly rate. Now, while ServiceTitan doesn't publicly disclose their exact pricing details, industry estimates suggest the ballpark range starts somewhere around $200 to $400 per month per technician. Keep in mind, this is just a starting point. Depending on the factors mentioned earlier, your final cost could be higher or lower. But wait, there's more. Additional ServiceTitan costs to consider. Before you set your budget in stone, remember there might be some additional expenses to factor in. Implementation fees. Getting your team up to speed with a new software platform requires training. ServiceTitan might charge a one-time implementation fee to cover this. Data migration costs. If you're transitioning from another system, migrating your existing customer data and job history to ServiceTitan might incur additional charges. Customer support. Basic support is likely included in your monthly fees. However, for more advanced or personalized assistance, you might need to upgrade to a premium support plan. Is ServiceTitan worth the investment? Unveiling the ROI. Now, the million-dollar question. With all these costs swirling around, is ServiceTitan worth the investment? Here's the good news. Numerous contractors swear by ServiceTitan. They report increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and a significant boost in revenue. Think about it. How much time and money are you currently losing due to inefficient scheduling, disorganized invoicing, or poor communication with your team? ServiceTitan can potentially streamline these processes, freeing you up to focus on winning new clients and expanding your business. Here's the key. Carefully assess your current business operations. Identify areas where you're losing time or money. Then, research how ServiceTitan's specific features can address those pain points. By making a data-driven decision, you can determine if the potential return on investment ROI justifies the cost of ServiceTitan. Beyond the numbers, ServiceTitan's intangible benefits. Let's not forget that ServiceTitan offers more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. Here are some intangible benefits that can significantly impact your business. Improved team communication. A centralized platform streamlines communication between technicians, dispatchers, and office staff, leading to fewer errors and increased overall efficiency. Enhanced customer experience. Faster response times, online scheduling options, and improved communication build trust and loyalty with your customers. Data-driven decisions. ServiceTitan provides valuable insights into your business performance, allowing you to make informed decisions about growth strategies and resource allocation. Remember, ServiceTitan isn't the only player in the field. Explore other software platforms designed for the trades industry. Compare features, pricing models, and user reviews. Schedule demos and ask questions.